All right, future actors and directors, we are going to do program 4, Heelies, if you remember those. Count the number of vowels in a user-entered string. For the purposes of the program, the letter Y does not count as a vowel. You must count lower and uppercase vowels. For example, if you were to import "May the Force be with you," program should respond with, there are 8 vowels in the string, "May the Force be with you." All right, so let's get started. The very first thing that we are going to do is we are asking for a input that is a string. And because inputs automatically default to strings, we don't need to change anything about it other than ask for that input. So we're asking for a string. So we'll say that string, which surprisingly is not actually a reserved word, equals input, and we are going to say enter in a string. And we can close that up. Cool. So that's all it is. All right, well, let's do please, because we don't want to forget our manners. So enter in a string. Now, we want to do a for loop once again, because we're practicing those. So for a letter in the string, so for letter, we are then going to in string, because that's our vowel, so we're looking at this. So for a letter inside of this, we are going to say, and this is the long way. If you find a way that's faster than this, by all means, go for it. So if letter is equal to, and then we're going to do a string A, or letter is equal to string A, or letter is letter equal to AE, so we're going to E, I'll keep it in format here. And I am just going to copy and paste a couple more of these just to speed it up. So we'll go copy. A, E. And that's got to be I lowercase. I uppercase, and we want to make this O, O uppercase, and then U. So we'll start with the U lowercase. And then, again, U uppercase. Like I said, if you find a way that works faster, by all means, go for it. Now, at the very end of the string, we do need a colon because that is all part of the if statement. So if that, we are going to say that vowel is plus equal to 1. So we now need to have a vowel at the start. Basically, the vowel is functioning the same way that a count function would, but we're just going to call that count vowel instead. So we're going to start with 0 because we have nothing in there. So for letter, if letter equals that, then we're going to plus 1. That's it. It's pretty simple, but it is really awesome that we can use for loops to search through things. It finds things for us, which is really important. You can imagine when you're going through thousands and thousands of lines of code, then it's pretty important. All right, so let's do there are, and then we'll do a space, comma, vowel, because that is our number. That's our count. So there are 5, 6, 7, 8, however many. So vowel, comma, vowels. I'm gonna put another space right here. Vowels in the string, and then we'll do colon, space, and then we're gonna throw in string. We can close that up. So cool. So now we have our vowel starts at 0, and then we have a string where we're asking for input, enter into string. So for letter in string, so it's going to look at every single letter inside of our string. If the letter is equal to A, lowercase, A, E, I, O, U, then we're going to add 1 to the vowel. All right, so let's run this. Cool. All right, so we still have the other program in here, so we'll throw in 13. We'll get all that. Please enter in a string. All right, let's see. We'll do computer science. And then I'm going to throw in, we'll do AP. So then that has our capital and lowercase. AP computer science. Enter that in. There are 7 vowels. Let's count them up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have our 7 vowels. Cool. All right, that's how we do Healy. I will see you in the last one, program number 5. Talk to you soon.